Welcome everyone. You might be in a situation where when you try and log into Black Ops Cold War, you see notice the Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War server is not available at this time. Please try again or visit blah blah blah. And if you retry, it doesn't work. Well, the simple reason why this happens is because the servers have either been overloaded, or they've been crashed, or they're down for maintenance. And there's nothing you can actually do on your end to fix that. You're going to have to wait until Call of Duty fixes it themselves. But how do you know when Call of Duty fix it? Because, pressing retry until it works, you might be doing that for hours. Well, I'll leave this in the description. It's a down detector, right? And you just refresh the page, and you can see that there's a ton of reports now, which means that Call of Duty is not working, obviously. And then once the reports start going down, then you should just try again, and you should be good to go. So you can see over time they messed up, and boom, you can see now Call of Duty's down. A couple of hours when it's like here again, then you should be good to go to play Call of Duty. So quick video, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Bye bye.